Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's begin. Let's start by opening the settings, scroll down and at the bottom of the list let's choose additional settings. Scroll down again and choose here OTG. As you can see, here you can enable OTG. This feature allows you to connect to and power Type-C devices if connected earphones, USB drivers or another devices aren't recognized. Turn on the OTG switch. So if the connection doesn't work automatically, you can enable this by using this feature. It will also turn off automatically after 10 minutes of not doing anything of idle. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.